Solkari is about the 1980s era when the musicians, it's about the musicians and their struggle. It's also about relationship, love, a relation between father and daughter, daughter and mother. And it's a musical journey, and I'm very sure that everybody, whoever will watch Solkari, will love them.
It was a very good experience acting with Bollywood actors like Jackie Shroff, Seema Biswas. It was lovely acting with them. Okay, we got to learn also many things from them. It was great when they were asking us Konkani words. कोंकणी उतरां विचारतालीं आमकां, आमी सांगताले, बरें दिसतालें आमकां. So it was a wonderful experience. It never looked like we acting in a Konkani film. It looked like we acting in a Bollywood film. That feeling they gave it to us. So it was a good journey. I'm hoping for the best. People are coming to watch. We are nervous actually. Let's see what's the response is. Songs in the movie are the beautiful highlight of the movie. Sonia Sirsat, Rajesh Madgaonkar, Anthony Sen. I mean, they sang beautifully. You should see the songs in the movie.
Sonia Sirsat has done full justice.
Yes, and picturized very beautifully by our director Nilesh Malkar, and producer also has acted in our film. Okay, wonderful. I mean, the full team. Credit goes to the full team of Solkari.
Solkari. हें उतर आयलां सॉल्व करी पळय हाताच्या वयल्यान तातूंत सॉल्व करी आमकां आमी जेवल्या उपरांत आमची जिरवण बरी करता पूण सोलकारी आमकां आमच्या गोंयकारपणाचो उगडास करता. गोंयकार संगीतकार, गोंयकार संबंद जे आमच्या मदें आसा, सो ताका लागून गोंयकाराच्या काळजांनी रिगपा सारकें हें फिल्म आसा. आनी ह्या फिल्मान हांवें डायलॉग्स बरयल्या, मागीर लिरिक्स बरयल्या, आनी म्हाका दिसता की लोकांक हें खूब आवडटलें म्हणून. आनी एक पयलेंच एक्सपिरियन्स हें.
तशी बरी आशिल्ली पण मातसो स्लो आशिल्ली.
म्हणजे गोंयांत आतां तरेकवार अशी वेगवेगळ्या तरेची वेगवेगळ्या जॉनराची म्हणटा तशी मुवीज पळोवंक मेळटा. हें आमकां भाग्याची गजाल म्हणटा अशें दिसता. पयलीं खरें म्हळ्यार अशें पळोवंक खरेंच कमी मेळटाली अशी.
एकदम बरें दिलें आनी तें चोळून एकदम लायक जालें आमकां सगळ्यांक.